There's typically no need to call a contractor to simply relight the pilot. In addition, not enough hot water or water that is too hot are both problems that can often be resolved by just changing the thermostat settings on the outside of your water heater. Some parts, such as the dip tube, sacrificial anode rod, and heating element may need to be replaced after a certain amount of time. These parts are relatively inexpensive and can typically be found at your local hardware store. While replacing most hot water heater parts is fairly easy, it is not entirely without risk. While do-it-yourself repairs can save you some time and money, it can also be messy, and there's the risk of electrical exposure with certain repairs. If you're uncertain, it may be best to contact a professional repair service.